So today we are going to be talking about congruent polygons. So let's just talk about what some of those things mean. Polygon means a shape of three or more sides. Congruent means that something is equal, their measures are equal. So a congruent figure means it has the same size and shape. So if you were comparing a circle to a square, you would obviously see that that is not congruent. They're not even the same shape. But you might have a rectangle and a rectangle. We have to determine if it is the same size. Okay, so let's just look at these first two. I drew some shapes here. So here are two rectangles. If I said these rectangles, I'm just going to put right angles just to show that they are rectangles. If I said this was a 2 by 3 rectangle and this was a 2 by 4 rectangle, while they have a similar shape, they're not the same size. So these would not be congruent. Now, if I said this was a 1 by 2 rectangle and this was a 1 by 2 rectangle, okay, these would be congruent. Okay? 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Just because this one's pointing in a different direction does not mean it's not congruent. Okay? It has a different orientation, we say. All right, so say we had an isosceles triangle. One side is 3, and the other two sides are 4. And say we had a triangle with, it's just pointed upside down, 3, and then 2 of them are 4. Okay? This would be congruent also, because it's the same, the shape, the size of the sides of the shape are in the same order. You can tell it's the same figure, same side, or same measures. So here I have a square, and I know it's a square because I said they're all equal. If I said that that side is 2, and I have another figure here, 4 sides, 4 equal sides, all right angles, this is also a square. So just because it's kind of rotated does not mean it's not congruent. So if they're the same size and the same shape, they are congruent polygons.